High above us, beyond the blue haze of Earth's atmosphere, an invisible network of human-made machines sweeps across the heavens. These satellites circle our planet silently, tirelessly, performing vital functions that have become woven into the fabric of modern life. They are the eyes in the sky, the unseen sentinels monitoring, communicating, and navigating. For most of human history, the sky was a mysterious realm, vast, unreachable, and unknowable. But in the span of just a few decades, our species transcended Earth's boundaries. We placed objects into orbit, transforming space from a distant dream into a bustling highway of technology and information. Satellites have since evolved into an essential part of our global infrastructure. Complex tools that collect data, broadcast signals, and enable communication across oceans and continents. Their work touches every day, every hour, every moment of billions of lives on Earth. They tell us when a storm is brewing across the ocean, connect loved ones separated by continents, and guide travelers safely through unfamiliar streets. Without satellites, the modern world as we know it, connected, informed, and mobile, would simply not exist. The concept of orbiting devices has fascinated humanity for centuries. Visionaries like Jules Verne dreamed of reaching the stars. Scientists theorized about sending instruments beyond Earth to observe the cosmos. Yet, it was the technological leap of the mid-20th century that made orbiting satellites a reality. The launch of Sputnik 1 on October 4, 1957, shattered the boundaries of possibility. That tiny, 83-kilogram sphere, emitting its simple radio beeps, announced a new era, one where humanity could watch Earth from space, revolutionizing science, security, and communication. The early satellites were rudimentary by today's standards, but they paved the way for an extraordinary explosion of capability. The space race accelerated development, ushering in weather satellites, communication relays, and navigation systems that would soon reshape life on Earth. As the Cold War spurred innovation, satellites went from novelty to necessity, becoming key players in everything from military reconnaissance to scientific research. They marked a profound shift from earthbound observation to a planetary perspective. Perhaps the most immediately tangible benefit satellites provide is in weather forecasting, the science of anticipating the ever-changing moods of our atmosphere. Before weather satellites, forecasting relied on localized observations, weather balloons, surface stations, ships at sea. These provided valuable data but were limited in scope, offering little insight into the vast, interconnected systems shaping the climate. Satellites changed all that. Orbiting high above the Earth, weather satellites constantly monitor cloud formations, atmospheric moisture, temperature patterns, and even storm development. Using advanced instruments like visible light cameras, infrared sensors, and microwave radiometers, they capture images that reveal the planet's dynamic atmosphere in real time. This data feeds into supercomputers that run complex weather models, simulating atmospheric behavior to forecast storms, heat waves, droughts, and cold snaps days or even weeks in advance. These early warnings are life-saving. They guide evacuations before hurricanes make landfall, alert farmers to protect crops from frost or drought, and help governments prepare emergency services for floods or wildfires. By watching weather from space, satellites help humanity not only survive, but thrive in a world shaped by nature's often unpredictable forces. Communication satellites form the backbone of our interconnected world, acting as relay stations in space that transmit voices, images, and data around the globe. When you make an international phone call, watch a live sports event broadcasted from halfway around the world, or stream a video online, chances are your information journeyed through space via satellite. Unlike terrestrial cables, satellites can cover vast distances instantaneously, reaching remote and rural areas where laying fiber optic cables is impractical or impossible. They connect ships at sea, airplanes in flight, and even military units operating in remote theaters. There are different types of communication satellites. Geostationary satellites orbit roughly 36,000 kilometers above the equator, remaining fixed over one point, perfect for continuous broadcasting and weather monitoring. Meanwhile, low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites circle much closer at altitudes between 500 and 2,000 kilometers, enabling low-latency internet and global connectivity. Recent mega-constellations of hundreds or thousands of small satellites promise to bring high-speed internet to every corner of the globe, bridging digital divides and fostering economic development in underserved regions. Satellites have transformed how humans share knowledge, culture, and commerce, shrinking the world and making it possible for a single moment to be shared instantly with billions. GPS satellites have revolutionized the way we understand and move through space, both physical and virtual. The Global Positioning System consists of a constellation of at least 24 satellites orbiting Earth, continuously broadcasting signals. Devices on the ground, whether a smartphone or a ship's navigation system, receive signals from multiple satellites simultaneously to calculate exact location with astonishing precision. Originally developed by the U.S. Department of Defense for military navigation, GPS quickly found a place in civilian life. Today, it powers car navigation apps that guide us turn by turn, aviation systems that plot safe flight paths, and emergency services that locate people in distress within meters. Beyond navigation, GPS satellites provide ultra-precise timing signals. These synchronize financial transactions, manage power grids, enable telecommunications, and coordinate everything from stock market trades to cell phone networks. In many ways, GPS acts as the invisible metronome of the modern world, organizing time, space, and motion to keep daily life flowing seamlessly. The reach of satellites extends far beyond weather, internet, and navigation. Satellites monitor Earth's environment, tracking deforestation, glacier melt, ocean temperatures, and air pollution. This data informs climate science and policy, guiding efforts to protect the planet's fragile ecosystems. In agriculture, satellites assist precision farming, monitoring soil moisture, crop health, and drought conditions, helping farmers increase yields sustainably while conserving resources. Disaster response relies heavily on satellite imagery. After earthquakes, floods, or wildfires, satellites provide critical real-time information, helping responders assess damage, locate survivors, and coordinate relief efforts efficiently. Satellites even support wildlife conservation by tracking migration patterns and habitats, helping preserve endangered species. In cities, satellite data contributes to traffic management, urban planning, and infrastructure monitoring, making cities smarter and more resilient. Though often unnoticed, satellites are a powerful force shaping almost every aspect of our lives, enabling safety, connectivity, knowledge, and sustainability. As satellite use grows, so too do the challenges. Earth's orbital environment is becoming increasingly congested. Thousands of satellites share limited orbital lanes, joined by tens of thousands of pieces of debris, fragments from old satellites, spent rocket stages, and collision remnants. This space junk, poses a significant risk to functioning satellites and future missions. Even small fragments can cause catastrophic damage at orbital speeds of over 28,000 kilometers per hour. Protecting these assets requires international cooperation, new tracking systems, and innovative technologies to remove debris. Satellite designs are evolving to be more resilient, and missions now include end-of-life plans to minimize clutter.